Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Alright, today on the show of reacting to police chases, this is a Hellcat Challenger running from police in the rain. As you know, the Hellcat has 707 horsepower, maybe 717 depending on the model. Anyways, these have a hard time even putting down power in general with prep, okay? With prep, you know what I mean? Road prep. Rain is the worst weather conditions. Rain is worse than snow. That's all I'm gonna say. So you either have to be a driver or you gotta have all-wheel drive to like run from police, you know what I mean, with this type of weather conditions. I'm gonna stop yapping. Let's just see what the cops do. Shout out to LRH Cash for the video. Alright, I'm not stealing y'all videos, I'm just reacting to them. Shout out to y'all. Got a really big platform. Dillard's. Who got a Dillard's at them all? So I guess at this point the cop turns his lights on because I can't hear audio. Wow, he's just like following. That's so lame. What did the Challenger do? Yeah, you're not catching that Challenger. That's a Hellcat, bro. Not no scat pack. You see how it's going, bro? Turn off them fucking lights. That shit is so annoying. Like, yeah, bro, that's a Hellcat, bro. It's not stopping. Was he losing traction or he was just angling everything out? Looks like he knows where he's at. Look, everybody getting in the way. Hey, Dodge gang, you see him? Dodge got in the way of that journey. They got in the way on purpose. Hey, shout out to the people getting away on purpose. You know what I mean? Our Mopar bros. That's hilarious. Put the Wrangler in the way. You don't want to risk your life. But this cop is taking the turns too slowly to ever be able to catch up. And they're going to send a second gen Charger after. You're going to have no luck catching a Hellcat. Come on now. That's 3 cops on him. Hey, if he lose 3 cops, I'm gonna put on the thumbnail like this. Oh, you feel me? Like, you feel me? Cause it's funny. Where's the Hellcat? It's a bright ass green car. They couldn't find it. Where is it at? Is it up there? Stop at a red light. Yeah, I don't see these cops having any luck, really. Looks like they're just really going for a free joyride. Am I right, guys? They're going on a free joyride just like the hell. But the cat wasn't doing nothing. He wasn't doing a takeover, nothing. Oh, that Corvette thought it was him. They don't want your ass, man. They know who's in that Corvette with the white New Balances. Well, if you don't, they ain't worried about you. You pay your taxes and shit. They worried about them people and them cats. They ain't paying their taxes, man. Pull over. Ah! She said, maybe that was it up there. He just lost 3 of these Jakes, man. W Hellcat in the comments, honestly. I'm gonna call it this early, yeah. W Hellcat in the comments. Things mean as fuck. I didn't even hear it. Wee, wee, wee. You feel me? He just was gone. Yeah, bro, y'all ain't catching that cat. Unless he crash out. That's one hell of a driver, man. We gonna have to clap it up for this driver at the end of the video. 105. 5 miles per hour. They're calling out heavy traffic. Is that another cop? It's a contractor truck. What do they call this? A highway or freeway? It's 2 lanes. When I'm in Ohio, I remember them saying that's like the turnpike. It's like 2 lanes. It seems like they're really confident in where this guy is at. Hey, free smirk, man. If you guys can hit the sub button for me, like and subscribe. It's free, guys. I got a lot of supporters. About 90% of you guys are not subscribed, so if you guys can hit the sub button, it would be much appreciated. Hellcat chase. Cause these cops are chasing nothing. You gotta sub for that, man. This is funny. It wouldn't be funny if people got hurt, but this is funny that, you know, the cops are chasing nothing. They don't see nothing, but they just keep on speeding. Which makes them kind of worse, like kind of part of the problem. Because what was this Challenger Hellcat doing to get pulled over? Riding in traffic. He got pulled over for having a cat. I mean, like, these cops, they get it confused. Like, you're a traffic cop, not a detective. You feel me? If you want to investigate, you're really just chasing nothing, because you're a street cop, bro. You feel me? You write tickets, bro. You're not a detective. Stop trying to figure me out. That's not your job. You feel me? But the cops be fanned out. You feel me? They want to see who's in the car, how you get a cat, what you look like. You feel me? How you talk. I don't know. But they're chasing nothing. They want to be just like them. You know what I mean? They got the Dodges. They want to... You feel me? But just no supercharger. They don't got no supercharger or no 6.2. I wonder if Stellantis is going to drop that dual overhead cam V8. Let me know if you guys have heard about that. I'm tapped into a few SRT, Stellantis reporting channels. And I keep hearing about this dual overhead cam head V8 from Charger that is on the shelf. I don't know if it's true or not, but it's pretty badass. So, they found nothing. They found nothing. That was the video. Okay? I don't know what to say. Like, clap it up for the Hellcat, bro. Hellcat W. Hellcat W, don't play, bro. The Hellcat, nah, ain't no chance, bro. Especially if you got a decent driver, nah, no way. You can do everything was against this guy. You understand? This Hellcat driver, everything was against him. The weather conditions, the number of cops, he was outnumbered. The freeway was heavy traffic. Everything was against him. But somehow, good drivers just make it happen. And I didn't see anybody crashed out or ran off the road. You know what I mean? The cops are doing it. I could see on video where the cops are running people off the road, high key. Kind of running themselves off the road, running onto the shoulder because people aren't even moving when they just flew up, going 100, chasing nothing. You feel me? Anyways, this is the show where I watch police chases. I'm JTSpeeds. For some context, what's something I could tell you guys? I just got to think about this. What was the first concert I've been to? The first concert I went to was Drake. Then the second one I went to was Uzi. Yeah. Hit the sub button if y'all mess with Drake. Yeah. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace. Exclusive.
blessings like freedom with